I will explain the material from the first group about the principle and learning and assessment. The definition of learning principle. According to Junaidi and Asbari, principles are necessary for both educators and students in effort to improve the implementation learning because principles are the basis for the learning process. And the definition of assessment principle. Assessment principle are the main perspective of the assessment process that must be explained in all evaluation strategies. Assessment principle offer help to explain with why the evaluation in use and guide the approach to evaluation method. The stage of learning process, the first is learning planning, and second is learning implementation, and third is learning assessment. Types of assessment in English language teaching. The first is diagnostic assessment, and second is formative assessment, and third is summative assessment. The learning principle must be interactive, inspirational, fun, challenging, and motivate learners and actively participant. And the last is providing space for the initiatives, creativity, and independence according to student talents and interests. The assessment principle of learner learning outcome is carried out in accordance with the purpose assessment in an equitable. The assessment of learner learning outcome is carried out in accordance with the objective assessment. Educator conduct assessment based on factual information on the achievement of learner development or learning outcome. And the last is the importance of learning and assessment principle. The point, the first point is guiding the instruction. Learning assessment principle help teacher design lesson that the effective engine, ensuring student effectively participate and make progress. And second is ensuring progress and feedback. And third is encouraging language proficiency. The importance of learning and assessment, the important and the importance of learning and assessment principle in the educational process. These principles serve as a guide, the guide for design and implement, implementing implementing effective learning as well as for fairly evaluating student progress. By applying interactive and fair assessment principle, educator can create a learner environment that supports student all-around development. This ultimately contribute to the achievement of the optimal learning outcome. Thank you.